In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if a value exists in Excel. We'll start by opening Microsoft Excel and working with a simple worksheet. Knowing how to check whether a value already exists in a list is very useful in everyday spreadsheet work. It can help you validate data, spot duplicates, and confirm whether an item has already been entered before you add it again. This is especially helpful when you're managing product lists, records, or any repeated entries in a worksheet. For this example, imagine you have a product list in cells A2 through A6. The list contains items like laptop, mouse, keyboard, monitor, and printer. Now let's say you want to check whether the value typed into cell D2 appears anywhere in that list. The first method uses COUNTIF, and this is usually the recommended option because it's simple and easy to understand. First, enter the value you want to search for in cell D2. Then select the cell where you want the result to appear. In that result cell, type this formula: equals IF, open parenthesis, COUNTIF, open parenthesis, A2 colon, X, comma, D2, close parenthesis, greater than 0, comma, quote, exists, quote, comma, quote, not found, quote, close parenthesis. Then press Enter. Excel will now check how many times the value in D2 appears in the range A2 to A6. If the count is greater than 0, it returns exists. If not, it returns not found. For example, if D2 contains mouse, the result will be exists. If you change it to tablet, the result will be not found. If you enter printer, it will return exists. You can keep changing the value in D2 to test different items quickly. The second method uses match. This function searches for a value and returns its position in the list, which makes it helpful when you may later want more than just a yes or no answer. Again, enter the value to search for in D2, then click the result cell and type this formula: equals IF, open parenthesis, ISNUMBER, open parenthesis, match, open parenthesis, D2, comma, A2 colon A6, comma, 0, close parenthesis, comma, quote, exists, quote, comma, quote, not found, quote, close parenthesis. Press Enter. With this method, values like keyboard or laptop will return exists, while a value like camera will return not found. If needed, you can copy the formula down to check multiple search values. For a quick existence check, COUNTIF is the easiest choice. If you may also need the item's position in the list, match is a great option.